So hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we are going to unbox the LG QNED EVO, the first QNED EVO technology they have produced. Before it was just QNED, but now they produce the QNED, which is the dynamic QNED. That's what they are calling it this year. And ladies and gentlemen, will not delay you. So today we are unboxing QNED86A. The previous model was T, it was 86T. This year it's 86A. So without going any further, talking too much, we'll just start our unboxing of our TV, and that will be how the box looks like. So you just have to you can either pull this one off. Egmint. You can either pull this one, like that, or then you can break this, the seal. You just have to flip it like this, the inside one, then open. Let's pull this. Then you have to pull it in order to break that. So and ladies and gentlemen, this is our first reveal for the LG QNED. Let's see how it looks like. So let's check on the size how it will be. Just a minute. The size it will be slim as the previous one. No, this is more slim compared to the previous model. And it's time for the installation. So for installation, 1 second. That's how we put. If you're going to install your TV, you just put it on the box inside. Like that. You lie it down slowly by slowly. So if we go into the details, our TV will have 4 HDMIs here. Then one USB here, one USB here. Then down you'll find the Ethernet cable and the optical. So it means it has two USBs and 4 HDMIs. And the stand, it will come with this stand. This is going to be our stand, which it comes with. So this is going to be our stand. It has this stand, and inside else you'll find this here. And by the way, for your information, let's reveal the LG remote. This is our remote. Sorry, this is our stand. The remote will be here. Open. Just open this. This is our new remote. The LG, this year it introduced the smaller remote. This is our LG new remote. It will be still Magic Remote, as I'll be showing you in the video later. So let's go on and install our TV. This will be the cover. This is the cover. So this is our stand, and right now we are going to the installation process. This is going to be our stand, and we'll install it there. But first, this is going to be the bottom stand, so you have to put it down. Just put it down, make sure it will screw into this, then it will be like that. it will be like that. So after like this, you'll have to screw here, one screw here, one screw here, and another screw here. So this one has 4 screws down, so we are going to screw it right now. So you have to install like this. One done, that one is done. So next one, done. Third one in the middle, done. You have to make sure that it's tight, huh? And fourth one, done. Then fifth, done also, almost. So you have to make sure it's so tight, and it will be like that, so it's not shaking. So after that, on the TV there is 2 holes, like there is 2 lines. There is either B, which is the first one on top, B, and then there is the A. So if you make 2B, it will the stand will be a little bit shorter from the TV. Then if you make A, the distance will increase. So right now I'll do the A. Just pin the, see this, so you have to just push here like that. Then we'll do our nails, our installation. No, here. So you have to put here in the first one. Sorry. You have to make sure it's tight. Just remove it. Okay, let me just put here. Okay, now, okay, leave it. Okay, like that. Another one. You have to make sure it's so tight so that the TV will not shake. So this is how you can do it easily. So just do like that. So our installation is done, and then we can just put our cover. So we just have to put our cover. So the cover will be just like this. Just hold. So cover you have to insert, you push it from the top. So make sure these ones will enter here. And for your information, you can just put the cable management here. Like you can just put your cable from here to here. Let me show you. This is how the cable management is done. You press this one, remove, then put the cable, push it back again. That's it. And push that. It has to clip. That's how our TV is installed. That's how it looks like. And right now we are going to setting it up. Let's wait for it. Don't forget, this is the QNED. So this is our new remote. As you can see, they changed the remote. Now it's much slimmer and flat design. So once you're setting it up, the remote, you just have to press this, and let's press it. So the language, 24. Let's set English. English. Then next. Region Southern Africa check. We are in Middle East, so we'll set to the Middle East. Then we'll do the next. We'll do the next. We're in Dubai. Next. Accessibilities you can set now, or you can set later. So these are the accessibilities which you want, which will be there. But there is hearing aid and so on. So, but we'll not do that for today. We'll just do that later. So my TV, I'm going to set it up using the remote instead of the ThinQ app. So if you have the ThinQ app account, you just have to register the ThinQ app. So once you reach to this step, the magic remote will start working. See, as you can see. So let's do the next. So for the internet, let's set up the internet also. So once we finish, we're putting now our password. So it's connected, and once it's connected, then it will take you to the terms and conditions. Mark, you have to accept this. So just scroll down, then do the next. So just mark all, and do the agree also. Right now I'm not going to put in anything, so I'll just do the menu next. I'm not putting in anything for the moment, so it's going to be, I'm going to put it on the wall. I wanted to just show you the display for the stand, but I'll put mine on the wall. So that one affects the TV sound and the TV sound mostly, so I'll put in the AI picture and AI sound pro, and it has ever ready, like always ready. Always ready means that even if you don't have the remote, you can tell your LG, hey LG, can you open this? Then it will do that remote. So we will activate that. Then we go to the next, and this I'll skip. The LG account I have, but I'll skip. If you have, you just sign in your account, then it will bring all the applications you have. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the QNED of LG 2025 dynamic QNED actually. So this is the S Pro. If you don't know how to use it, you can try. So here is basically, it has opened most of the applications. It's going to open the applications once updates are ready, but we can try to download manually. I'll show you, but mostly they'll download automatically. So mostly, we buy the TV for the entertainment. I'll start with, let's say, YouTube. All these I will use, but I'll start with YouTube, Netflix, and so on. So you see, this is the good thing about the Magic Remote. It makes life easier. So I'll start with my YouTube. Install. Okay, requires internet. Let's go to Netflix. Install. Now it's installing. And for your information, ladies and gentlemen, this new remote comes with the AI options on the remote. AI concierge, AI chatbot. So these are all AI voice. So whatever is there. So I'll just show you the remote once again. So the applications are downloaded, they installed, but then you can download more depending on what you want, Amazon Prime, whatever you want. So some applications will require you to sign in. So like Spotify, you need to have your account. See, you need to put in your account, your login details, but I'll not download it for the moment. Okay, let's try it out also. Also, it needs you to log in first. So there are some applications where you don't need to log in. So since it's a display piece, we'll just set it as display for the moment. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is for today. Please welcome to our channel. If you're new, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share, recommend our content to your friends and family, because we have the best unboxing and unedited. We don't edit anything. If you make a mistake, it will be a mistake, then we'll tell you that it's a mistake. So as you can see, that's the clarity of the picture quality. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that these days, since last year, LG comes with the renewable operating system. Once you buy the LG TV, it will renew its operating system for 5 years, like as we are doing in iOS, like Apple phones. It will remove the old iOS, then it will put in the new one. So that's the picture clarity. Kindly please subscribe once again. I love you so much. And there we are. That's our TV for today. So if you want to download applications, you'll download from there. But for the meanwhile, I guess I'm signing out. And I'm once again reminding you to please subscribe to our channel. See, this is all I just